Hi everyone, my name is Suraj and in this video I'll show you how to customize button using CSS. So I assume that you already know how to create a basic document of HTML and add a button into it. So here I have already created a basic boilerplate code of HTML and created a div inside which I have added a button with class name btn. And I have also linked our CSS file which is button.css to our HTML file. Now let's go into our CSS code and customize this. So inside CSS I have also written some of the boilerplate code of CSS, like I have removed the margin and padding. Now let's jump into our main section, which is how to customize the button in CSS. So I have given the name btn. So I have given the class name btn in HTML to our button. You can already see that here. So let's customize it by adding class name btn. First of all, I'll add some padding to our button. For example, let's add a padding of 0.5 rem top and bottom and 1.5 rem left and right. Now let's change the color of the button with the property background color. I like to give it the color of purple. Let's just pick this color from here and add this color to our button. So after adding color, you can see some style has been changed in our button. You can see this border. I don't like this border, default border which our browser gives our button. So let's remove that first by using border property, border and none. By this property you can remove the border which browser gives you by default to your button. Now our button simply looks like a div which has some text in it, so it doesn't feel like it is a button. So let's add some another properties to make it feel like a button. For that I'll add some shadow by using box shadow property in CSS. I like to have shadow of 0 pixels, 2 pixels, spread or blur of 2 pixel or 1 pixel. Let's add shadow color of black. Let me change the color so you can see it properly. I'll turn it to the white, so you can see this small shadow is visible here below our button. Let's change it to black again. So black looks fine here. Our button looks pretty decent now only, but I would like to add some more properties to our button, like border radius. Let's add some border radius of 3 rem. I think, yeah, 3 rems look fine. After adding border radius, let's change our text color inside our button using color property. Let's give it a white color. So you can see it looks pretty decent now. So what I want to do now is I want to change the background color of the button whenever someone hovers or takes the cursor on our button. It should change. So for that we will use property of hover. Let's just do that now by adding button class and hover property to our button. After hover, we want to change the background color of our button, which is from purple to white. And now you can see whenever I hover on our button, the color is changed, but the text is not visible because the text is in white color. So let's change our color of text and add color. I would like to invert the color. Now whenever I hover on my button, the colors are inverted. That looks nice. Button, I would like to have a border of 3 pixels, solid purple. So let's add some transition to it. For that I would like to add transition of 0.6 seconds. So you can see it looks pretty good. You can also add some icons here by using font awesome icons. I already linked the font awesome icons to this web page, and you can go and search for any icon you want. I would like to select this circle down arrow icon. Just copy this and paste it here. Now you can see you can also add icons using font awesome to your. I will post this code on CodePen, and the link will be given in description. For more such videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel and also hit that bell icon. Thank you for watching.